Alright, let's get out there. Yeah, airfare is a little better now.
Yeah, yes, 3X works.
You have it on? I was gonna say, that's safe.
You're like, you know how it works.
Huh? I'm like, why? Why?
Oh, look, your F-18's nose is still down, kind of.
It is a little bit. I raised it quite a bit.
Yeah.
But it doesn't affect it because it bounces up.
I remember Bajor had a video before it come out.
Right, and it would
was
stick
really
down.
And then he had mentioned to them to live, and then
they put a spacer in there.
Yeah.
I put my own spacers in and then raked it forward too. Ready?
China
Go ahead.
The afterburning's nice.
Oh wow, that's way brighter.
Dude, it's actually good now. The afterburners in both of ours show really nice now.
Really bright.
I can't tell my gear on it. We shall see. Now it's good air.
The air is way better. I think I might be able to get a 104 flight.
Yeah, you will. You have to. You got it.
I want to fly everything at least once.
Yeah. No, it's perfect. You just need this on roll.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
I see you.
Since I was on the jets, on those uplines, you can't get lazy on the rudder.
No, you have to be on it.
On
So
my
they'll-
prop planes, I'm always on the rudder.
Right.
I forget even on this.
So I'm gonna do something vertical here.
You all right?
Yeah, I'm good. Just pulled over because I knew the wind was gonna blow it. I'm liking the burner. What I did to it. It's a lot brighter now. Yours is a little quicker.
Is it?
You're catching me. Yeah, the air is way better now. Still a little bumpy.
Time remaining 1 minute.
Still a little bumpy, but it's not crazy.
Compared to earlier, though.
Earlier was terrible. Yeah. It is. No, it was fun. I'll probably get another one. I'll just put my own stuff in it.
Yeah.
And balance the damn fan. That fan was bad.
Yeah, mine ain't terrible.
No, yours is good. Mine was making all kinds of racket. But I'm happy with that. That looks good.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time expired.
You gonna land?
Oh, I got a little bit more time.
Okay.
It goes off early.
beauty of the 70s.
Yeah. Just to be safe, I'm going to come in because I'm going to check the status
Gear down.
on the burners.
Landing flat.
Oh, wait a minute. I've been flying with flaps down this whole time.
Come on.
Seriously.
Half or full?
With half.
That's why you're...
That's why I was lagging. I mean, it was still moving, but it was lagging a little bit. No wonder.
Which side are you on?
I'm all the way at the end on the left. No wonder, I'm an idiot.
Flaps up.
Dude, that's why I've done that too, man.
Not even thinking about it.
And the whole time you're probably thinking, damn, my shit feels a little
That's
funny.
what it felt
Not
slow.
just slow, but a little funny.
Yeah, it did. Because it was going like this. Oh, now I got to fly it again.
Yeah, because last time we flew, I thought your F-18 was a hair quicker.
It seemed that way, but today I'm like, oh, you seem faster. That was me. Now I got to fly it again. Because the weather's getting way better now.